Hey y'all, it's Hadassah and I'm back with another video, and y'all already know what it is. Y'all already know what's coming. So I went somewhere to get one thing and I ended up getting like 4 things, but y'all, it be like that sometimes. Okay, so this is the box. And we have all kinds of goodies in here. So I'm gonna show y'all, first of all, what I went on there to get. And by there, I mean Coach Outlet Online. That's the there. So what I actually went on there to get was this item right here. This is called the structured pouch, I believe. Is there a tag on here? No, it's called the structured pouch. And this is actually a men's item. So I did go shopping in the men's section a little bit, but how gorgeous is this? This is like my favorite Coach print, the embossed C's that they do in the leather. This is so gorgeous, and obviously you can use it as a clutch as well. And then it has your little wristlet strap right here. And I just want to see, I have like the 9.7 inch iPad just for size comparison. Okay, I think it will fit in there. Let's see if it will fit or not. Take some of this wrapping out. So I have a case on it, and even with the case, it will still hold the iPad. So you'll be able to fit that in there comfortably. And also on the inside, you have, we'll turn it over. You have 2 pockets right here. You can see one pocket right there, another one right there. But otherwise, it's just a black hole. So I'll probably use this for work when we go back into the office or something. Just throw it in my tote or something just to carry some essentials in, and also as a clutch if, you know, I need to go somewhere, because it's super duper cute. And so, like I said, I went on there to get this item. That was it. Like, okay, let me get this item. But while I was on there, I found this. Y'all, I have been looking, let me bring it close. I have been looking for a notebook from Coach for the longest time. I went into several outlet stores and they were like, oh, check online. And I'm like, if they were online, I wouldn't have come into the store. I always check online first. And I'm like, well, check back around Christmas time because they make really great gifts. So we usually get them then. So I found this online at the same time. So I had to get it. It has the flower print on it, as you can see. And you open it up and it has the same color on the interior. And you know what's really good about Coach agendas? They come with a notebook inside. Go figure. And y'all, $21. That's it, $21. I mean, you cannot beat that price at all. And then when you're done using up this notebook, I mean, just put another one in here. It's so easy. I love it. And it looks better in person, y'all. Like when I saw it online, I was like, oh, this is cute. I'll get it. Then I got it in person. I was like, this is beyond cute. So super glad I was finally able to get one of these. And then I was back in the men's section, y'all. And I got this reflective pouch. There you go, okay. So this is called the Rivington. And like I said, this is actually a men's bag, and it comes with this type of strap. So it's super, super, super cute. Super cute. And it just has like the brown story patch on the front there. I think I saw someone say you can hang sunglasses here on this little part. I'm not sure. But the strap is removable and adjustable. So has a pocket at the back and also zip pockets at the front. And then on the inside, I'm zipping it up. On the inside, it's like a card case. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's kind of like a card case situation going on right here at the back. But this is just something super, I mean, it was super cute because it's, I don't know if you guys can see, let me see if I can. It's reflective. My lights are really bright, but this is a reflective pouch. And it looks so cool in person. So I'm ready to style this. And then I saw an item I had been watching for a while, but I didn't know it would come to the outlet so soon. I was really surprised by that. And that item would be the Coach Emery. So it has this long strap, and this is the shade. How cute is this, y'all, in this color? I should have brought my Cassie so y'all can see. This is not, if you know the blue Cassie with like the Coach monogram, it is not that same color blue. And initially I thought it was, but it is definitely not. The other one is more of a lighter blue. This one is a little bit more vibrant. But how cute is the Emery, y'all? And it was on sale at the outlet. So, because they're still selling this in Coach stores for retail price. So this was an amazing deal. And the hang tag here is super, super gorgeous. Of course, you have your slip pocket at the front and also your zip pocket at the back. And of course the strap is this adjustable? It's adjustable. It has little, yeah, you can see the grommets there. So, I'm dropping my hang tag off. Get this stuffing out of here. So on the inside, there is a slip pocket right here. And of course, your story patch right there. And yeah, that's all of the storage that's on the inside, but this is definitely a really nice size bag. Super, super, super cute. So yeah, that's how I ended up getting all this stuff from the Coach outlet. And they definitely have free shipping. And I think at the time they had 4% cash back with Rakuten. But anywho, the Emery also came with a dust bag, but it doesn't really fit that great. You can use it for one of your smaller Coach bags or something like that. But anyway, that concludes my haul, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.